Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy and today we're gonna be testing, unboxing, balancing, doing all this good stuff with the new MOZA AirCross 3. So make sure to stick around, watch this video until the end because it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you enjoy tech, filmmaking stuff, welcome, let's jump right into it. But first, what's in the box? One gimbal, one quick release plate, one small tripod base, one LAN support, and we have a lot of options for cable. So when you get the box, this is how it looks like. Gimbal, tripod, quick release plate, all the cords that are compatible. MOZA AirCross 3 professional camera stabilization system. All these different settings. Here if you want to get the app. Here it shows you a little quick run what the button does. Menu. And here that's the base, the tripod. Here's all the cords. So you can pick and choose. One is for the charger. Here's the plate. Very nice that they have the two options. One is smaller and one is bigger. And here is the gimbal. Very different. Little screen here, the buttons. And one of the things that I'm very excited for is this record button. You just press, start recording. This way you don't need to like keep going back and forth. Metal. It looks very strong. The grip is very nice. As we know, the battery, it's in here. I don't think we can remove this, but this is the most affordable option that you have right here. Very nice. The weight is 896 grams and the load capacity is 3.2 kilos. Battery life is 19 hours total and takes around 1.4 hours to charge. There is 2 USB ports output, 2 shoe mount that we can attach extra accessories like microphone or light, 3 mounting threads that we can mount extensions like tripods and rigs like the slide pod, and we are able to control via the MOZA Master app for iOS and Android. Unlock button over here, so you press this, you're able to do the different modes and stuff. You can lock here as well. I like that you have like the measurement very clean, so you can just see what works better for you on the sides as well. All the access has the lock system as well. It's very nice because this way it doesn't wobble or doesn't hit anything when you put in your backpack, walking to locations and stuff. I used to have one. My first MOZA didn't have this lock and it was hard. Here we are, very nice. Okay, how I would balance this is put the plate here with my coin. Boom. Because my Sony a7 III, I need to open a little bit more here. I think here's gonna be fine because in the last case, if I wanna open my SD card, I'm gonna have space. So I try to start this way, move this way. This is falling. We're gonna balance the back one, get in. Very good. Balance, calibrate this. I'm gonna press M and hold. I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna go to power, and then auto tune. I'm gonna press right. Then he's gonna do his thing. Done. Camera. I'm gonna go to multi C because mine is Sony a7 III. My camera show that it's charging the camera at the same time, which is pretty cool. Vertical mode. Very nice. Very good for social media stuff. Perfect. Camera control button. Press one record. It's recording. If you press halfway, autofocus. Oh, I think it's working. If you hold for 3 seconds, it says that it will take a photo. Let's see. Photo, manual. 1, 2, 3. So this would be the classic mode, regular, like any other gimbal. Sling mode, you press here, unlock this. Boom, let me lock again. And then this go up here. Very nice for lower angles. This way I'm just not able to be very like precise with the button. If I want to record and stuff, I can do it, but a little bit tight here, but very good. Dual handle mode would be the same thing. Because we open, now we have the ability to put another one here. Boom. That's nice. Very nice as well. Or if you want to just hold like this, you're gonna rest. The trigger here on the back is gonna be very low. Just keep that in mind as well. So the power button here, long press, it's on and off. One click, you'll be able to switch the speed levels. If I double click, it's gonna go to sleep mode. Press again, and he's back to normal. So with the joystick, it's very simple. You're gonna be able to control the rotation and you're gonna be able to navigate through the menu as well. The only thing that's gonna change is right means okay. So you're gonna be able to go up, down, left, right, but then if you wanna change something, you're just gonna press right. And there is one option there as well that you can put reverse. I don't really like that because if I press left, I want to go left. I don't want to go right. If I press M one time, it will change the settings and the modes that you're gonna be able to use. Pan and tilt. So we'll follow M, FPV mode. It will copy every single direction that you do. Press one more time, it's gonna be just pan, regular again. In the menu there shows that if I press 2 times 1, 2, it will activate sport mode, but that doesn't work here for me. I don't know why. But if I press and hold on the back, I can activate sport gear. Super fast. 1, 2, 3. Inception mode. I like this one a lot because you can be very creative and do all this good stuff like music videos, in-camera effects and transitions for your production. If you hold, it's gonna be all lock and the gimbal is not gonna move to any direction. Double click here, it will go back to center. If you press 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it will do like a selfie mode. And if you hold, it's gonna be all lock, so nothing is gonna move. To go back, press double, 1, 2. Let's try to connect to the app. We can see remote control, gimbal settings, create a video, Inception, sleep, and linkage control. If I do a 360, very cool. Up, down, side, side, side. I own my first MOZA or my first gimbal 5 years ago, and I was very excited. I know they have like a lot of limitations back then, but it was amazing. And to be able to see a lot of new features, it's incredible because with one of these, it's so simple, so easy to use, and you have everything in one gimbal, literally. And you can even connect to this LiPod Pro or this LiPod if you have that too with the MOZA app. So just add 2 points, one there and one here. Let's see total shooting time. Start. Setting up data. Return to 0. Starting. There we go. This is all in the MOZA Master app. And just be careful because it's very heavy, this setup. Cinema stuff. Spend a lot of money to be able to do these movements, and for us filmmakers to just achieve the quality that we have today, I think it's amazing. We are going to a direction that I think it's gonna be even better. Basically the same things that you have there, you can do here. You can do the updates. The hand control system, that's very cool too. I don't have the extra accessory that you can get. And if you do this, you will start recording. And if you do this, I think it would stop. I wish that we could have a little case that we could bring this around after we fold and do all this good stuff. Would be very cool to see if they can improve maybe for the next generation. But so far, I think it's very good. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope they learned something today. Thank you very much, MOZA, for supporting this channel. If you enjoy, please leave your like. This way you're gonna help me a lot and you're gonna tell YouTube that my video was good. So thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.